The world of reality television has always thrived on stories of transformation, but few journeys have been as inspiring and dramatic as those of the cast of TLC's 1000 LB Sisters, and now one of its biggest stars is leaving fans speechless after revealing a jaw-dropping new look following major skin removal surgery. This moment marks not only a new chapter in their life but also a powerful reminder of the resilience that comes from battling obesity, weight loss surgery, and the intense struggles of self-image in front of millions of viewers. For years, fans have followed the ups and downs of the Slayton family, from emotional breakdowns to powerful victories. The raw honesty displayed in the series has helped make the show a global sensation, and this latest update is one of the most celebrated milestones yet. After losing hundreds of pounds and facing the often unspoken reality of excess skin that comes after extreme weight loss, the star decided to undergo skin removal surgery, a process both physically taxing and emotionally life-changing. The results have stunned audiences, fellow cast members, and even longtime critics of the show. The surgery itself was no small undertaking. Doctors often emphasize that skin removal is one of the most difficult procedures post-bariatric surgery because it doesn't just involve cosmetic changes but can also greatly improve physical health. Excess skin can cause infections, limit mobility, and even affect mental well-being. For the 1000 LB Sisters star, this wasn't about vanity, it was about reclaiming a body that matches the determination and hard work put into the weight loss journey. The recovery process is grueling and requires strict discipline, but the star's social media updates reveal confidence, joy, and an unmistakable glow that fans haven't seen before. Pictures posted online quickly went viral as followers flooded the comments with messages of encouragement, admiration, and even tears of happiness. One fan wrote that they couldn't believe the transformation and that it looked like a completely different person. Another said the journey was proof that with dedication and support, anything is possible. The overwhelming positivity has been a sharp contrast to the criticism the family has faced in earlier seasons, where viewers questioned their commitment to change. Now the proof is undeniable. The star has fought for a new life and achieved something that once felt impossible. Insiders close to the show hint that producers are eager to highlight this transformation in upcoming episodes, seeing it as one of the most powerful storylines yet. Skin removal surgery is rarely shown in detail on reality TV because of the sensitive nature of the procedure, but given the massive interest from fans, this could become a pivotal moment in the show's history. TLC has always thrived on raw and unfiltered storytelling, and this could be the emotional peak of the next season. Beyond television, the transformation is already opening doors. Weight loss influencers and health experts are pointing to this journey as an example of how reality stars can use their platform to inspire others struggling with obesity. The mental strength required to go through weight loss surgery, therapy, dieting, exercise, and then skin removal is extraordinary. Many people underestimate the toll it takes not just on the body but also on the mind. The star has been candid about struggles with self-image, depression, and even the fear of losing their sense of identity after such a dramatic transformation. Yet seeing the smile in recent photos tells a story of triumph that words alone cannot capture. Family support has played a crucial role as well. Fellow siblings from the series have expressed nothing but pride and love. They understand more than anyone the battles behind the scenes, the moments of doubt, the painful recovery, and the courage it took to go under the knife again. For the Slayton family, this isn't just another chapter in a TV show, it's a deeply personal victory that strengthens their bond as a family. Their ability to turn personal struggles into a shared journey with the world is what makes them so relatable and beloved. The road ahead is still filled with challenges. Doctors remind patients that skin removal surgery is not the end of the journey. Maintaining weight loss requires ongoing discipline with food choices, exercise, and regular checkups. However, the procedure removes a huge obstacle, both literally and figuratively, making everyday life easier. From walking without discomfort to fitting into clothes properly, these everyday victories bring newfound freedom. For someone who once struggled just to breathe or move independently, this transformation is nothing short of miraculous. In many ways, the story goes beyond just one person. It symbolizes hope for countless viewers struggling with obesity. Every fan who has followed the series knows the pain, the tears, and the setbacks that come with trying to lose weight. Seeing someone emerge victorious after years of struggle brings motivation to others who may have felt hopeless. It proves that while the journey is brutal, the outcome can be life-changing. The stunning weight loss reveal has also reignited conversations about how society views body image and weight loss. Critics argue that the focus should not solely be on physical transformation but also on mental health and sustainable living. Supporters counter that seeing such a radical change helps break stereotypes and challenges people to look at obesity with more empathy and understanding. The debate will continue, but one thing is clear: the star's bravery in sharing this vulnerable chapter will have a lasting impact on reality TV and beyond. As the buzz continues to grow, fans are already speculating about what's next. Could this be the start of a new career in public speaking, fitness, or even fashion? Some suggest that modeling opportunities could be on the horizon, given the star's striking new appearance and growing influence online. Others believe the focus will remain on family life and continuing to inspire through the show. Whatever the path, this transformation ensures that the star will remain a central figure in pop culture and reality television for years to come. At the heart of it all, the story isn't just about surgery or a TV show. It's about a human being reclaiming their life after years of pain, struggle, and doubt. It's about resilience, hope, and the power of never giving up, no matter how impossible the road ahead may seem. And it's about a reminder to millions of fans worldwide that change is possible, even in the face of the toughest challenges. The 1000lb Sisters star showing off a stunning weight loss after skin removal surgery will undoubtedly go down as one of the defining moments in reality TV history. The transformation is breathtaking, the message is powerful, and the future looks brighter than ever. Fans can't wait to see what comes next, and one thing is certain: the journey is far from over. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000lb's YouTube channel for more update news.